Imagine you're trying to juggle your personal and professional life, and your phone is the only tool you've got. What if there was a way to streamline your communication, manage calls, and even collaborate with your team all from one app? That's where RingCentral comes in. Have you ever wished you could have a virtual assistant to handle your calls, no matter where you are? Well, that's exactly what RingCentral can do for you. Before we dive into the activation process, let's quickly understand what RingCentral is. It's a cloud-based communication platform that offers a suite of features, including voice, video calling, messaging, and even team collaboration tools. Think of it as your digital office right in your pocket. Downloading the RingCentral app. The first step is to download the RingCentral app from your device's app store. It's available for both iOS and Android. Once downloaded, open the app and tap on Sign In, entering your credentials. If you already have a RingCentral account, enter your email address and password. If you're new to RingCentral, you'll need to create an account. Creating an account usually involves providing basic information like your name, company, and phone number. Verifying your account. After creating your account, RingCentral will likely send a verification code to your phone. Enter this code into the app to confirm your account. Setting up your phone number. Once your account is verified, you'll need to set up your phone number. This is where RingCentral will route your calls. There are a couple of options here. Porting your existing number. If you want to keep your current phone number, you can port it to RingCentral. This process usually involves contacting your current carrier and providing them with the necessary information. Getting a new RingCentral number. If you don't mind getting a new number, RingCentral can provide you with one. This is often a quick and easy process. Configuring your phone settings. After setting up your phone number, you'll need to configure your phone settings to use RingCentral. This typically involves enabling RingCentral as your default calling app and granting the app the necessary permissions. Testing your setup. Once you've completed the setup process, it's time to test your RingCentral account. Make a call or send a message to see if everything is working as expected. Additional features and tips. Now that you've successfully activated RingCentral on your phone, let's explore some of the additional features and tips that can enhance your experience. Voicemail. RingCentral offers a robust voicemail system that allows you to listen to and manage your voicemail messages from anywhere. Call forwarding. You can set up call forwarding rules to send calls to your voicemail, another number, or even your RingCentral app. Do not disturb. Use the Do Not Disturb feature to silence incoming calls and notifications when you need peace and quiet. Call recording. Record your calls for reference or compliance purposes. Team collaboration. If you're part of a team, RingCentral offers features like team messaging, video conferencing, and file sharing. So there you have it. Activating RingCentral on your phone is a straightforward process that can significantly improve your communication and productivity. By following these steps, you'll be able to enjoy the benefits of a powerful cloud-based communication platform right at your fingertips. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.